Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to enter amount purchased in Philippine peso, and then it will compute the total gasoline in liters that is being purchased using C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and most importantly to my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos, supporting, leaving a comment, likes. I really appreciate your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this type of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Basically guys, I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. So here we have here two library files in C++. In line number 1 we have here sharp include IO stream for input output in every C++ program. Line number 2, sharp include IO manip or input output manipulator. We will be using this library file for decimal places later on in our program. So we have several comments, Jake R. Pomperada, Maid IT, MIT, and then I have two websites where you can download complete source code for free. The first one is jakerpomperada.com. The second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then where you can download free source code. And then currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, IT consultancy, software development, software testing, technical writing, web development, mobile. You can contact me at my personal email address, jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very affordable cost. Thank you in advance. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in Asia, Republic of the Philippines. So we have here in main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. Begin. I have here a variable, two variables rather, gas underscore rate underscore per liter, assuming that 1 liter cost around 67.61 pesos. And then double amount underscore pay that is initialized with 0. Now double, we will dealing with decimal values. Here we have here the title, gasoline purchase solver in C++, std out, new line, std out new line. Here we are asking the user to the amount that is being purchased in Philippine peso that will be stored in our variable amount underscore paid, double solved equals amount underscore paid divide by gas rate per liter. Okay, so new line, and then we display the result here. Total gasoline in liters, steady fix. We have to fix to decimal places now. Set precision to decimal places. This command belongs to this sharp include IO manip. Without this IO manip, it will generate an error. Solve liters. And then we have your new line and a program that informs the user that the program has been ended. New line, and then we close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Okay, let us run our program. Go to execute, compile and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Gasoline purchase solver in C++, enter amount purchase in peso. Let's say 350 pesos. Total gasoline in liters is 5.18 liters and a program. Another example, let's run again. Let's say 1,000 pesos. Total gasoline in liters is 14.79 liters and a program. Okay guys, this is the end of our tutorial video. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.